Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use animations in our Qt QML application and how to apply the animations effect on our Qt QML controls property. So let's start. So let's create the first rectangle control. Now let's set here ID my rect1. Okay, now let's set the some basic property of rectangle is let's set the 100 width and height is also 100. Okay, so now let's set the one color also. So let's set the red color all here. Okay, now here we use property animation. So here we apply the property animation on X property. Okay, so now here let's set the from value, set this 0 and to value is width, parent width divided by minus my rect1 dot width. Okay, so we traverse our rectangle from X location 0 to our end of the application window. So let's set here some duration property here. So let's 1 second duration. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. You can see the animations. So our rectangle wheels was start from 0 and to the end. Okay, now let's also apply this same code and same effect on our Y property. So now let's change the rectangle ID and change here property height width to height. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. So you can see the effect. Check it again. So also you can manage some duration here. So if you want to a long animation, so increase the duration value. You can see, okay, the value in millisecond. Okay, now let's create one more rectangle control. Same the copy this code. Let's change here the color code, and now here we use a different color for it. Okay, now let's use the property animation on rotation property. Okay, so here we have to set the degree. Okay, so from 0 to 360. Okay, so we rotate our rectangle in 360 degree. Okay, also here we have to set the loops. Okay, so animation dot infinite. Okay, so we rotate our rectangle in infinite format. Okay, also let's set the duration. Okay, so let's set the 1 for better visualization, and now let's run the application and check it. So you can see the our rectangle in rotating at same location in infinite format. Let's set the display this rectangle in our center of the application. Okay, now let's run the application. So you can see, also you can manage the speed by use of duration value. So you can see the rectangle is rotating at same location, and this is the first rectangle and second rectangle. Okay, now let's apply the some sync effect. Okay, so here we use the sync type. Sync type is the one, just one kind of effect. Okay, so let's use the sync dot inbounds. Let's use the inbounds. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. So you can see this is the effect. So now let's set the outbounds on this rectangle. and set the both value on our rectangle, rotation rectangle in outbounds. Okay, so there is a lots of effects, lots of async types, so you can use as per your need and as per your effects and animation types. So you can see this is the effects. Now let's run the application and check it. Let's set there some duration value here. Okay, here we set 360,000 and here we change the 360 and set the duration value is 2000. Okay, now let's run the application and check it. Also we increase the duration value in for both rectangle, y property and x property. So you can see these the effects, and you can see the rectangle is async type is in an outbound. So this is a both async type is a mix up on the rotation rectangle. Okay, so this is the basics property and how we use the rectangle and property animations in our Qt QML controls. And also you can see the how we apply the async type or how to set the async and styles, animation styles. Okay, one kind of. So please drop your comment if you have any questions about property animations and async types and Qt QML controls. And please like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.